The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer gets brought up a lot in discussions about handheld vacuum sealers online. It's a cordless unit, which is different from the traditional countertop approach we usually see. We've tested other handheld sealers before, some good, some not so much. The Chef Preserve is positioned as a premium handheld option, so we want to see if it lives up to what people are saying about it, or if it's just marketing. Let's get into it, and welcome to the ShouldIt's Vacuum Sealer series. Hey everyone, welcome back to ShouldIt. My name is Matthew Lee, and this right here is the Chef Preserve Handheld Vacuum Sealer. The packaging is sleek, minimal, and compact, exactly the sort of vibe you'd expect from a handheld sealer like this. Let's open it up and see exactly what we're working with. Not the top. And here is the handheld unit itself, which honestly looks more like a high-tech salt shaker rather than an actual kitchen appliance. There is a protective cap that protects the rubber-sealed vacuum chamber here. You operate the unit with this button, and at the back there is a USB-C port, which is huge because no proprietary chargers. You can use it together with the included USB-C cable. Another accessories that we have is the zipper clip, which keeps the bag sealed properly, and the rather minimalist user manual. So to test this vacuum sealer, we have a bag full of cornflakes right here. And one thing about the bag that I want to talk about is that this vacuum sealers cannot work with your typical vacuum sealing bag. You need a bag with one of these one-way vacuum valve. We bought this one from Chef Preserve itself, but you can buy any bag with such a valve on Amazon, and it will probably work just fine. And the way you use it is that you have a zipper on top here, and all you have to do is crimp one side together, and you use this zipper clip, put it to the side and press down and slide it across, and the zipper is going to seal itself. You can check the air tightness by pressing on the bag and see if the air holds. Once everything is good, you put the vacuum chamber against the one-way air valve here, and then press the button. So with these kinds of bags, I just open the zipper, grab what I need, and then zip it back up. Place the unit over the valve again and reseal in like 15 to 20 seconds. The bag is good for hundreds of use. So over a year, if you're doing regular meal prep, the initial bags included will essentially become infinite. That's the real value proposition here. Not that it's cheap up front, but that it pays for itself in bag saving alone. In our initial test, it's about 15 to 20 seconds. It's not compatible with standard disposable vacuum bags, and if you vacuum anything moist, you need to put extra care because it will fail quickly if liquid gets into the motor. But for daily kitchen use, meal prep, keeping leftover fresh, and reducing food waste, this thing honestly delivers. And that wraps up our unboxing and first impressions of the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. In our full review coming soon, we'll test this unit with various foods, check the long-term durability of these reusable bags, test battery life in real-world use, and compare it to other handheld options out there. If you want to know more about our testing methodology, search "How should it test vacuum sealers?" If you're interested in trying the Chef Preserve, there's an Amazon link in the description. And if you want to see more vacuum sealer reviews from countertop to handheld, check out our full ShouldIt's vacuum sealer series playlist. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you already own a Chef Preserve or another handheld sealer, let us know in the comments how it's working for you, what you've sealed, and what you think of the reusable bags. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and consider supporting ShouldIt's so we can keep bringing you honest, thorough product reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time.